Kharge's residence, after which the opposition has come up with a plan. Now, sources indicating that the centre has also prepared its blueprint to counter-strike. So, if the matter arises, the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan will be ready to respond to the queries that are raised by the opposition. Remember, the opposition leaders have been staging a protest, and today the showdown is also expected in the parliament. Going back to Akanksha on that. So, Akanksha, the opposition leaders are readying a plan to corner the government, and NEET is one of the issues that has left the government in a bit of a spot. Remember, the government has also cancelled a few examinations. The opposition has been saying that the entire education system has been ruined by the centre. Amid such a charge coming in from the opposition, it's also likely to resonate in the parliament, with the opposition all set to rake up the issue in the parliament today. But sources also telling Times Now that the centre is also prepared. The NDA Sarkar is also going to be prepared for any storm that comes up over NEET. And the Education Minister could speak in the parliament, could address the parliament on the alleged irregularities. Akanksha, so what's expected today? We understand that the opposition has already readied a plan after a meeting at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence yesterday, but the centre also planning a counter-strike.
Well, actually, the opposition is likely to raise the issue of alleged irregularities in the NEET UG exam in Parliament today. And the government is also all prepared to tackle this issue that the opposition is going to raise today. Now, what we're getting to know is that Rahul Gandhi will raise this issue in Lok Sabha, while on the other hand, Mallikarjun Kharge will take up this issue in Rajya Sabha, is what we're getting to know. And ever since the controversy has broken out, time and again, opposition parties have raised up this issue. And today, several opposition MPs will be speaking about this and will basically be making this issue in the parliament.
Okay, all right. Stay with us, Akanksha, because that's not the only issue going to come up. Like we said, the centre is also going to respond. But remember, just yesterday, in a dramatic turn of events, Congress's student wing barged into the National Testing Agency's office in Delhi, locked its doors as a sign of protest, and shouted slogans to scrap the agency. Soon after the incident, the police rushed in to evict the protesters and secure the perimeter completely. The Delhi police also said that a case has been registered against the NSUI workers in this regard.
आज हमने यहाँ तालाबंदी की और तालाबंदी करके जो काम नरेंद्र मोदी को, जो काम धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को करना था, वो काम हमारे एनएसयूआई ने किया। और
तो आपने इस गेट पर ताला डाल दिया है?
बिल्कुल ताला लगाया है, और हमारी मांग है कि बच्चों को, छात्रों को न्याय मिलना चाहिए।
तो कहीं ना कहीं कानून हाथ में आपने ले रहे हैं?
नहीं नहीं, हम कानून नहीं, हम हक की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। पूरे देश में आंदोलन हो रहा है।
आप लोग यहाँ पहुंचे, आपने ताला बंद कर दिया है, लोग जो है उनको आपने यहाँ पे होस्टेज कर दिया, जो यहाँ पे वर्कर्स थे। तो क्या ये कानून अपने हाथ में नहीं लिया आपने?
देखिए, जब एनटीए ने लाखों छात्रों को भविष्य में ताला लगाने का काम किया है, उनके भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ करने का काम किया, तो आज हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष वरुण चौधरी जी के नेतृत्व में एनएसयूआई कार्यकर्ताओं ने ऐसी संस्था पे ताला लगाने का काम किया जिसने देश के लाखों करोड़ों छात्रों के भविष्य पे ताला लगाने का काम किया। आज सरकार नाकाम है, सरकार पूरी तरह सो चुकी है।
So let's take a look at what is the action that has been taken so far by the government. The NTA DG Subodh has been replaced. The CBI investigation is currently underway in this regard. The NEET mastermind has been caught by the police officials, and the panel also has been formed to bring in reforms to the entire examinations across the country. And multi-city investigations are currently underway, with the NEET UG retest also being done. The government has also warned strict action against the culprits in the case. Remember, the president in her address had also assured the students that we are not going to spare the culprits, and the future of the students are going to be the top priority for the government. But yesterday, while addressing the parliament session, President Draupadi Murmu took a vow that there will be strict action against the culprits. Listen in to what she said.
सरकारी भर्ती हो या फिर परीक्षाएं, सुनिए, परीक्षाएं किसी भी कारण से इनमें रुकावट आए, ये उचित नहीं है। इनमें शुचिता और पारदर्शिता बहुत जरूरी है। हाल ही में कुछ परीक्षाओं में हुई पेपर लीक की घटनाओं की निष्पक्ष जांच और दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दिलवाने के लिए मेरी सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है। हमारे इससे पहले भी हमने देखा है कि कई राज्यों में पेपर लीक की घटनाएं होती रही है। इस पर दलीय राजनीति से ऊपर उठकर देशव्यापी ठोस उपाय करने की जरूरत है। संसद ने भी परीक्षा में होने वाली गड़बड़ियों के विरुद्ध एक सख्त कानून बनाया है। मेरी सरकार परीक्षाओं से जुड़ी संस्थाओं, उनके कामकाज के तरीके, परीक्षा प्रक्रिया सभी में बड़ी सुधार करने की दिशा में काम कर रही है।